15th, I think. Two digit numbers is there. It's twice. Okay, 14th we have completed up to 14th. Okay, 15th we have to start. Okay, everyone read the 15th question. Everyone read 15th question. Okay, a two-digit number is such that the 10th digit number, 10th digit. So two-digit number we have to suppose a two-digit number. Okay, so let the two-digit number digit number be xy. Okay, this number is xy. It means 10x plus y. Understood? This number is xy. X is tens digit, y is units digit at unit place. Okay. So if we have to represent this number, we will represent 10x plus y. Xy is that number. Okay. A two digit number is such that the tens digit exceeds twice the units digit. Okay. Tens digit exceeds twice the unit digit. Okay. Tens digit, it is more than twice the unit digit by 2. This you understood? The tens digit exceeds twice the units digit. So unit digit there is twice you have taken, and this tens digit exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. It exceeds by 2. This is clear? Okay. Now second, and the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So if we, this is the number xy, this is our original number. After interchanging the digits, it will be yx. The number will be yx. Y will be at tens place, x will be at units place. Okay. The digits, the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. Is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. Is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. So see here, this is the original number. As it has its digit have been interchanged. Now this new number, it is 5 more than the original number. 3 times the original number. Yes. 3 times the sum of the digits. 3 times the sum of the digits. 3 times the sum of the digits. That is x plus y. Okay. Or you can do y plus x. That doesn't matter. Okay. Same thing. Understood this one? The number
So
obtained by
can I
interchange. Okay. I'm repeating. So the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So we have interchanged the digits. Xy it becomes yx, new number is yx. Okay, the number obtained by interchanging the digits. So this is the number, and this number is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. This number is 5 more than what? 3 times the sum of the digits. 3 times sum of the digits will be 3 into x plus y. This is clear? 3 into sum of the digits, x plus y. Okay. And this new number is 5 more than 3 times sum of the digits. Have you understood now? Okay. Now this number, how we are going to write? It will be 10y plus x equal to 5 plus 3x plus 3y. Okay, form the equation. One equation you can form here, other equation form here. Form the equations and solve.
The
Everyone
second
form the,
equation is 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 5.
again repeat.
The second equation is 2x minus 7y equal to minus 5.
Yes, that's the second equation. Okay. So x goes on that side, 3x, it will be minus 3x plus x plus 10y minus 3y equal to 5. Okay. So minus 2x plus 7y equal to 5. Or if you want to convert it to 2x minus 7y equal to minus 5. Okay, that's up to you. You can consider this as the equation, second equation, or you may consider this as the second equation. Okay. Okay, solve these two equations. This is the first. Second equation, any of these two you can
Sir,
take
my
and solve.
equation is, sir, my second equation is 7y minus 2x is equals to 5.
Yes, that's the same only. 7y minus 2x is equal to 5. Okay. So first we are arranging the x term, then y term. So rearrange that. Okay. Or you have to rearrange here. Okay. That's up to you. Solve them. Everyone solve x and y. Solve for x and y.
Sir, x is 8 and y is 3.
X is
8 and y is 3.
y is 3. Yes. So solve for x and y, everyone. You have got the two equations. X minus 2y equal to 2. Okay. If I'm using this first equation, it is minus 2x plus 7y equal to 5. Okay. It means first equation, if I multiply with 2, 4, 4. Okay. Add them. You'll get 3x equal to 9, 3y. 3y equal to 9, y equal to 3. Okay. X you can calculate from there. Put 3 years, it will be 6, and x equal to 8. Okay. Everyone calculate. So putting y equal to 3 in first equation. Okay. Putting y equal to 3 in equation first. It will be x minus 2y equal to 2. So x minus 2 into 3, 6 equal to 2, x equal to 8. Okay, so what will be the answer? Find the two-digit number. The two-digit number is
83.
83. The two-digit number is 83. At last you write the two-digit number is 83. Everyone have understood? Everyone have understood? Okay, then try next one. Okay, I'll start doing after 2 minutes. Try it. Read the question, try to form the equation. Everyone. Read the question, what you have to find. Figure that out and then form the equation using statements. Okay, 4 times a certain two-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging its digit. If the difference between the digits is 4, find the number. Okay, 4 times a certain two-digit number. 4. So first we have to find the number. So let that number be xy. X is at tens place and y is at unit place. This will be our number, and we can represent later as this one in equation. Okay. Now 4 times a certain two-digit number. 4 times a certain two-digit number. So 4 times the number. 4 times our number is xy. Okay. This is our number xy. Okay. Okay. Don't get confused with the square bracket. Okay. This number is xy. Okay. 4 times a certain two-digit number is means equal to is 7 times the number. 7 times the number. 7 times the number. What kind of number? Obtained by interchanging the digits. Okay, we are doing which one? 16th, yes. 4 times a certain 2-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging its digit. Obtained on interchanging digits, this number will be what? Yx. This you understood. 4 times a certain number is 7 times the number obtained by interchanging its digits. Okay. This is our first equation. Okay. So how we can represent this one? 4, 10x plus y, 7, 10y plus x. This is how we are going to represent the number. By expanding. Okay. So you get one equation from this one. If the difference between the digits is 4, if the difference between the digits is 4, find the number. If the difference between the digits is 4, find the number. Difference between the digits.
Sir, y minus x is equals to 4.
Okay. Okay. See here. Okay. X minus y equal to 4 or y minus x equal to 4. Difference between the digits. It is being not told which digit. Okay. So how we are going to verify? Use this equation, or from the very start we will verify. See here. Which is bigger number? This number or this number? Okay, compare these
Sir,
two
4
numbers.
and y.
1 minute. xy, it is yx. Okay, here they are equal. 4 into this one equal to 7 into this one. I'm comparing these two numbers. Which one is bigger? Or if you get this idea from here, xy upon yx. xy upon yx equal to 7 upon 4. Which of this number is greater? Which of this number is greater? Can anyone tell?
xy.
xy. First number is greater? Yes or no? First number is 7 times. First, okay, if we do 4 times the first number is 7 times the second. It means this is greater. This ratio as well we can say it is 7 is to 4. It is 7 is to 4. So xy is greater. It means which digit is greater, x or y? Which digit is greater? This digit is greater or this digit is greater? Which digit is greater? X is greater or y is greater?
X.
X is greater. So by taking the 2-digit number and from this equation, it means we have taken x greater than y. Understood this one? So we have already taken x to be greater than y. Okay. If this is true, then only this equation is going to hold. Yes or no? If this is true, then only this equation is going to hold. This you understood? Everyone understood this one? 2-digit number we have taken this one. Okay. Okay. I give you an example. Okay. We take 2 numbers such that. Okay. Okay. I'm writing. Okay. 64 and 46. Okay. 64 and 46. 42, 46 we have written. Okay. Or some easy number we take. 18, 81. That is 18 and 81. That is better. 81 and 18. These two numbers will be better. Okay. This is given as ratio as 9/2. Okay. So which is greater? 81 or 18? Which number is greater? Can anyone tell, or everyone can tell? 81 or 18? We can see 81 is greater than 18. Okay. If we take their ratio, it means it will be how much? The common factor is how much? 9. 9 ja, 2 ja. So their ratio is what? This one. The ratio is this one. Okay, now instead of 81, I put xy, and here I put yx. Okay, which is greater?
XY.
Xy is greater than yx. Or earlier we have seen 81 upon 18. Okay, which digit? This is x digit, this is y digit, this is y digit, this is x digit. Which digit is greater? Which digit is greater?
Sir, x.
See here, this numerator has to be greater than the denominator. This you all have understood. Okay, since the other number is formed just by interchanging the digits. Okay, so this is x, this is y. 8 is greater, 1 is greater. 8 is greater, it means x is greater than y, then only we'll get 9 by 2. Yes or no? If this 10 digit here is greater than 10th digit here, then only we are going to get more higher number, greater number, and smaller number in the denominator. Greater number in the numerator and smaller number in the denominator. Have you understood this one? This ratio only holds if x is greater than y. Yes or no? This x is to be greater than y, then only this number will be greater than this number. That is, this will be 7 times. Okay, this number will 4 times of this number will be 7 times of this number. You have understood here as well? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, it means this 10th digit is greater than 10th digit here. Okay, this you all have understood. We have formed the number just by interchanging the digits. It means this will be greater than this one, or this will be greater than this digit. So in the very first start, we kind of assume that x is greater than y. Then only we'll be able to apply this equation. Or this will hold true only when x is greater than y. Is this clear? So which one we have to take? First one or second one? Since the difference is 4, it means we are separating y from x. Okay, this we have to take. And this will be we can't take. Have you understood this one? It was a little bit tricky question here. Some conditions was there. Hidden condition, you can say. Have you understood now? Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from here we can see which is to be greater. This number has to be greater than this number. This is greater number and this has to be smaller number. Okay, now how can this be a smaller number and how can this be a greater number? It means since we have formed the number by interchanging the digit, it means this digit is more than this digit. Yes or no? Or we can say this digit is more than this digit. You understood this one? So you can see 81 divided by 18. This number is formed by interchanging the digits of the original number. Okay, it means this number, the 10th digit is more than this number. This whole is more. It means this is more than this, or this is more than this. This is more than this. It means x is greater than y. Okay, if we take x greater than y, then only this equation will hold true, or else it will be wrong. It will be reverse. If we take y greater than x, then it will be reverse. Okay, so in the very first line we have taken, from the very first line we have taken x is greater than y. Okay, so we have to take x minus y equal to 4, not y minus x. Okay, now solve the equations. So second equation will be x minus y equal to 4, and solve the first equation. So 40x plus 4y equal to 70y plus 7x. Okay, take x on that side. 40x minus it will be 33 minus 7x minus 70y plus 4y equal to 0. So 33x plus 66y equal to 0. By 11 we can divide 3x plus 6y equal to 0. This will be our second equation. First equation you can call. Or, okay, 1 minute. Further as well we can divide x plus 2y equal to 0. This will be our further reduced equation. Understood? X minus y equal to 4, x plus 2y equal to 0. Solve them, find the value of x and y. Everyone
Sir?
solve them. Yes?
Sir, there will be minus 66y.
Yes, sorry, minus. Minus. X minus 2y, thank you. X minus 2y.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, solve these two equations. You can easily solve, equate the question. X we can reduce. We can separate the equation. We can solve for y first, then for x. Solve them. Solve them. And find the value of y and x. Find the value of y. Y equal to how much? X minus 2y equal to 0. So minus plus, it will be 0, it will be y equal to 4. Are you all getting y equal to 4? Then put anywhere else. You can put here,
Yes, sir.
or you can put, you will get 8, I think. 4 minus y equal to, so x minus 4 equal to 4, x equal to 4 plus 4, x equal to 8. Putting y equal to 4 in this equation, you get, or you can put it here, you get. So what is the number? The two-digit number. The two-digit number is
84.
84. Okay, you can see 84. We are getting 84. Okay. So x, which is greater? X is greater than y. Okay. 84 divided by 48. What you are going to get? 7 by 4. Yes or no? This only, this we are going to get. So initially we have assumed this digit is number greater than this one, or this is greater than this one, we can say. That is x is greater than y. This ratio was given 7 by 4. Understood now? Okay, try next one. Everyone read the question and try it yourself. Try to form the equations. I will wait for 2 minutes. See, these are very important questions. Please try to form the equations, because next exercise is next level. Yes or no? Is higher level. So you must learn how to form the equations. Solving equations is easy, but the considerations must be given to how to form the equations from a statement, or what are the hidden conditions. Okay. Read the question properly and try to form the equations, then we'll check. Read the question properly and okay. 16th we have done. Now 17th we are going to do. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits of a number is 121. Okay, if the digit of a number differ by 3, find the number. If differ by 3, find the number. Okay, sum of a 2-digit number. Sum of a 2-digit number. So let the number be xy. Okay. Let the 2-digit number, you can write 2-digit number. Xy, it is 10x plus y. Okay. Xy is that number. Okay. This is our number. Okay. The sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Okay. Sum of 2-digit number, that is xy, and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 121. Is 121. Check whether you done it correctly or not. Okay. Number is 121. Okay. If the digits of the number differs by 3, find the number. If the digit of the number, so second equation, see here, digit, it can be x minus y equal to 3 or y minus x equal to 3. Yes or no? So which equation do we have to take? Can anyone tell which equation we have to take? Either one of them or both we have to take. Find it out and tell. Can we guess from this equation that which is greater, x is greater or y is greater? From this equation, can we guess? Or is it not possible to guess here? Or it can be anything, whether x is greater or y is greater, it doesn't matter. Yes or no? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell? Okay, if I give you two numbers, if I take xy as 15, okay, so its sum with its by interchanging the digits will be how much? 66. Or if I take 51 as that number, then as well it is 66. So does it matter whether I've taken x greater than x less than y or x greater than y? By this equation, we won't be able to know whether x is greater or y is greater. Can we know? We can't know
No,
that one.
sir.
Okay. So that xy number can be 15. It can be 51. Yes or no? It can be 15. It can be 51. That's fine. Okay. And here in the second part, it is written if the digits of the number differ by 3. They differ by 3. They differ by 3. It means x minus y or y minus x. The same I can say they differ by 4. So it can be they differ by 4. It means 15 is the number. I can say 5 minus 1. They differ by 4. 51 is the number. I can say 5 minus 1. They differ by 4. Whether y minus x I take or x minus y I take. Both numbers satisfy that thing. They differ by 4. Both numbers are differing by 4. The difference is 4. Difference is 4. So I may have two solutions here. Yes or no? Because I am not able to figure out whether x is greater than y or y is greater than x. Which is greater we can't figure out. So both cases we have to take or not? Both cases we have to take. When x is greater than y, what will be the solution? When y is greater than x, what will be the solution? Yes or no? Have you understood this one? Here we are going to get two solutions. Since we cannot figure out which digit is greater, it means we are having two solutions. Either this or this. Either this or this. Okay. So We'll solve this equation first, okay? Solve this equation. How this equation will be 10x plus y plus 10y plus x equal to 121. It will be how much? 11x plus 11y equal to 121. Okay. We can reduce further. Common factor is there. So x plus y equal to 11. Will you check whether you've got the same equation? Whether you have got the same equation? Whether you have got the same equation or not, check it once. Okay. Is this clear? First equation we have got x plus y equal to 11. Okay. Now see here two equations are there. So it means this equation will take once with this and once with this. Okay. So we'll have two cases. Okay. Case first will take when x is greater than y. Okay. Case first when x is greater than y. Case second when y is greater than x. Okay. Case first x is greater than y. Which equation will hold true? X minus y equal to 3 or y minus x equal to 3?
X minus y is equals to 3.
X minus y equal to 3. Okay. So case 1 when x is greater than y, this equation will be x minus y equal to 3. Okay. Now solve these two equations. X minus y and next equation is x plus y equal to 11. Solve these two equations and find the value of x and y. Everyone find the value of x and y. Everyone find the value of x and y. So if you are adding these two equations, we are getting 2x.
So x
14.
is equals to 7.
So, okay, if we add these two equations, x equal to 7, we are getting. Okay, what is y? X is 7. Y is, calculate the value, 4. Okay, so what number we are getting here? That was this number is 74. Okay, this is when we are considering x is greater than y. Okay, now case second, when y is greater than x, take which one will be there? Which equation you are going to take? Solve that one. This is our case first, when x is greater than y. Okay. Case second, when y is greater than x. Okay. When y is greater than x, which will have to hold true? Y minus x equal to 3. The number will be, and the equation we have to take this one, x plus y equal to 11. Okay. So second equation depends on two cases, whether this is there or this is there. First equation does not depend on cases, x plus y equal to 11. Whether x is greater, y is greater, we are going to always to get 11. We can see afterwards as well. Okay, solve these two equations. Okay, first we rewrite the first equation. Okay. So this, okay, 1 minute. So second equation will be y minus x equal to 3, or we can write it as minus x plus y equal to 3. Okay. Now using first and this equation, that is minus x plus y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 11. Solve them, adding them. Two y equal to 14 and y equal to 7. Solve for x. X equal to how much? 4. So this time the number is 47. Yes or no? So the two-digit number is 74 or 47. This will be the answer. We are having two answers, either this or this. Okay, you can see as well, add 74, add 74 plus, okay, if you are taking 74 plus 47, it is 121. 47 plus 74, it is also 121. Whether you have taken the digit number as this or this, you will get always the sum as 121. Okay, or the difference of the two digit, see here, difference of the two digit, 74 or 47, it is always 3. It is always 3. Have you understood this one? Is this clear to all? So the digit, that two digit numbers is 74 or 47. It can be 74, it can be 47. Understood this one? Okay, if you are okay, we stop the class here. 18th we will do tomorrow, and then the next exercise will start. These are very important things to form the equations. Okay, understood? Is it clear to all? Okay, so we can stop here. Thank you all. Tomorrow there is PTM, last period. Tomorrow there will be PTM, last period. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
if
Thank
you
you,
have
sir.
any trouble, you can ask there, you can be there, or you can ask on WhatsApp as well. Okay. Anytime you can ask on WhatsApp. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.